Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome in. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with the fellow nerds. We got Chris with us today. We got Dwayne. We got John. We got Mo and our favorite Tennessean, Stacy, in the house. Howdy, y'all. It is Friday, and I've been listening to CNBC today. Oh my gosh. Did y'all hear that exchange with President Trump and Zelensky in the White House in the Oval Office? Oh my gosh. Talk about airing your dirty laundry. I don't know. I feel icky after that. It's like, that these world leaders fuss at each other, but to see it out in public is something that I'm not used to. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm not sure how I feel about Trump and Zelensky yelling at each other. So I don't think that we're anywhere near peace on this thing. And apparently, Trump is saying Zelensky doesn't want a ceasefire, and he's got to have all these security guarantees and all of this. But I'm kind of like with Trump. Let's cease fire. Let's stop shooting people. Let's stop killing people. Trump says you're going into World War III. So I don't know. I just felt icky after that. And then Zelensky left early. They were supposed to do a press conference. The press conference got canceled. So it is not good. So let's hope that cooler heads prevail and we can get this thing over with. And yeah, there's no need for war, but I don't know how I felt about it. It was really strange. If y'all have not seen the exchange, I don't even know if I need to recommend that you watch it. It just felt yucky, you know. You would say you would like to see them hugging it out, going, "Oh yeah, we're working toward peace," but that is not what has happened. So it's very, very, very strange. So CNBC is calling this the tech wreck over the last few days, and indeed it is. It's wrecking our portfolio for sure. But we knew that there were going to be volatility in this. This is not nothing that we have not signed up for, so we're perfectly comfortable with it. It's not like I'm abandoning the program or anything. We're just going to stick with it. So the E-minis are down slightly, 0.17%, a little bit more in the NASDAQ, 0.25%, a quarter of a percent. AD is positive, which is strange, right? You would think this would be a little negative, but it's very low. The low of AD was negative 63. The high was 319. Well, we are way off from that. And the VIX is at 22. Look at that. So let's see what our little volume profile says. See if we can figure out anything here. Okay, so we indeed have gone from overbought down into the fair value zone below, and we should see some support at 58.39. We're at 58, what, 49 now, or 58.68 is where we're at now, I guess. We got to as low as 58.49. So we're nearing that little support area there. And so we would anticipate a little bounce off of that. Let's see what our NASDAQ looks like. NASDAQ on the big green monster, we are overbought for the fair value zone below, which means that if you were to believe this, if we were to hang out here for a little while, for a couple of days, then we very well may get a drop into this area. And look at that, y'all. How about that? The 20,000 in sight? Are you kidding me? Could it be a possibility? Wow, that would be quite some drop, wouldn't it? And indeed, as you look at this, this is the tech wreck. See this? We are definitely getting wrecked on the tech side. All right, so let's look at our linear regression chart, see what that looks like. So we have definitely broken through the channel here, and now we are definitely going down outside the channel, and the channel is getting, this is on the E-minis, is getting flatter and flatter as we do that. So very, very interesting to see what we can do here. You would anticipate a move up to the upside, but there's no guarantees there. No guarantees there at all. So now that we've wrecked through this and the linear regression, we are a country without a home, or a man without a country, I guess we could say. We are down here. Let's see what NASDAQ looks like. See if we can get any view from NASDAQ. We don't really look at it on the linear regression, but yeah, you can see we're certainly outside of the linear regression. Notice that this is a little bit higher, a bigger angle to the upside than the E-minis. The E-minis is almost getting flat. So we would anticipate, like I say, we would anticipate a move back into this area, but not so fast, my friends, not so fast. All right, let's see how our account's getting wrecked today since we're talking about wrecks. And we are up on the day. Is that true? This doesn't look right. Doesn't look right at all. Why does it look like it's frozen? Y'all see it? Everything, nothing's moving. So I'm not sure this is right at all, but it says we were up $3,500 on the day, only 17,000. Remember, we were up like $42,000 on this thing. So let's see what our positions look like. Oh, we've got something in the money. Oh my goodness. Do y'all notice what I've noticed is that we had another covered call spring out for a 50% winner. We just put two of these things on, didn't we? Let's see our activity here. Field. Oh my goodness. So let's see, field in the last 7 days. We got a field yesterday at 3:01 p.m. How about that? On a covered call. Wow, that's good. I'd love to put another one on, but let's see, TQQQ down 50 cents. I probably wouldn't put one on today, or would I? If you think this market's going to continue going down, let's see, let's go to 43 days and let's just look at it. If we did, there's not enough strikes there, is there? Yeah, that's a weird expiration. Let's go to 49 days. So if we went in at about a 30% probability of being in the money, oh my gosh, is that right? Look at our percentages there. 30 delta 25 be $265, and we'd only be selling it at the 81. Yeah, let's wait till we get another move. Let's do that. So we do have a short put that's down $448, but it's up $54 today. Okay, we'll take that. I guess I mean, what else we're going to do? Nothing else we can do. We don't want to sell another one. So this is below our cost basis. This is fine. So we are good to go there. Let's look and see at our, let's see our, what do we want to see? Our hedge. See how our little hedge is doing. So let's move this to today. Can y'all believe it's the last day of the month? So we got about $26,000 in a hedge if we were to crash. We're good with that. Not sure why it says 35,000. I'm even better with that. Make sure everything looks right. 20%. TQQQ. Make sure we don't have any order legs in that. Okay, I guess that's good. We got a $35,000 to the downside cushion. Okay, good. All right, guys, we're going to go into Muscadine Mafia. We might play around with the scalping if y'all want to. So if you'd like to come in there, I'll send the link in the Muscadine Mafia session. Other than that, y'all have a beautiful weekend. I will see y'all Monday.